Alrighty guys, these are the elevators here at the DoubleTree Hotel South Tower here in Midland, Texas. We got corporate one. Aww, it used to be Dover. I'm sad they got mine for ThyssenKrupp. That's the other elevator later, Chris. Copy mine. Nice elevator. That's what probably the old phone used to be. Yeah, let's get the other one, because it's right down here. It's kind of weird setup here. Let's see this Dover track. That double track. Nice caps. 6-second modern, but I can't do anything about it. Here's red buttons there, that's cool. So then plus for that. Yeah, those are the only two elevators here in this tower. So I guess that is gonna be it for me.